Back at you with another video. National dry van freight rates for 2026 are forecast to see modest, gradual increases, driven by tightening capacity from carrier exits and potential regulatory impacts, though not a dramatic surge, with projections pointing to around 2 to 6% growth by year end, varying by market segments, spot versus contract. Key factors include stronger second half demand, lower diesel prices, yes, potentially, and regulatory enforcement suggesting shippers should prepare for slightly higher costs, but at a relatively balanced market with narrow rate spreads, says industry analyst from C.H. Robinson, Uber Freight, and Arrive Logistics. Key rate forecasts and trends. Once again, modest growth, not major boom year. Spot rates expected to rise gradually, potentially reaching 6% year-over-year growth by Q4, end of the year, which I had a pretty decent one. Contract rates forecast to see modest increase, possibly around 2% year-over-year, with potential for 5 to 10% jumps if capacity tightens significantly. Rate spread. The gap between spot and contract rates is predicted to remain narrow, indicating a balanced market. Factors influencing 2026 rates: capacity tightening, weak tractor orders, and carrier discipline are reducing available trucks, pushing rates up. Regulation, heightened CDL enforcement could remove drivers, tighten the market further, and impacting rates through 2026. Consumer spending. Lower spending keeps freight volumes moderate, preventing rapid rate increases. Diesel prices. Forecasts suggest slightly lower diesel prices could temper costs, but volatility remains. That's good. Demand. Stronger demand, potentially from U.S.-Mexico trade, could accelerate rate increases. For shippers, expect gradual rate increases in 2026. Prepare for potential tightening, especially in the latter half of the year, second half, third quarter, fourth quarter. Focus on data-driven lane analysis, strong carrier relationships, and diversifying carriers. This might not be a bad year after all. I was a little leery in the beginning, seeing that all the companies that were laying off drivers in the month of January I was like, whoa, this is crazy. But now that I'm seeing this, puts a on my face. See you in my next one. Subscribe to the channel.